Good morning. It is a holiday, I don't know, wistful snow day, for this video, I guess. I got my fancy new toy in the mail a few days ago, and it was just in time for the snow, and we only got a few inches, but right now it is 0 degrees Fahrenheit outside. That's 20 below Fahrenheit for everybody else. So the next few days it is absolutely too freezing cold to go out and try to play with this tractor. So I'm trapped inside, looking out the window at the weather and waiting for it to be nice enough for me to go out and play.